Yo, what's going on, guys? Gonna be taking you through my chest workout today. Pretty gnarly upper chest pump, pretty tight, pretty juicy, you know what it is. So if you guys have any questions about my form or anything, leave a comment down in the comment section below. I will address you properly. And anything else, guys, just go ahead and ask me down there. Really appreciate it if you leave a subscribe too, it'll help me out a lot. So let's get straight to the point. So let me go ahead and transition this thing over to the cable flies and get you guys started today.
Jungle.
Alright guys, so we're hitting some chest, starting out with cable flies. I don't always start out with cable flies, but it's good to pre-exhaust the chest before you hit those compound movements. I know a lot of people that use that method just to pre-exhaust the chest. So make sure that your chest is upright, make sure that your rib cage is expanded, and you're not pulling with your biceps. And just imagine that you're keeping your elbows in line with your shoulders, with hands, and just getting that nice squeeze in your chest whenever you come to the top of the movement. So what I like to do with my grip is I like to have my hands around, obviously. Sometimes I put my thumb over, sometimes I put my thumb under, and keep your wrists unlocked whenever you're doing this. You don't want your wrists locked, or else it's just not going to turn out good. Because if your wrists are locked and you kind of start like using your forearms in it, and it just doesn't end up hitting your chest as well. And another thing that I like to do to visualize me squeezing my chest as best as possible, imagine I have like a barbell over my chest and I'm keeping my hands, my forearms, shoulders, everything in line with that barbell, keeping it as straight as possible, actually squeezing with my chest. And right here I have my middle back off the bench. That's exactly how you want your back to be when you're pretty much hitting any chest movement. With cable flies, yeah, you want to have your chest arched, like your back arched like that. Any movement really. So that's what I do. You can have your feet on or off the bench whenever you're hitting dumbbell flies on the bench press. And straight from these flies, guys, I went on to some incline press. So with my incline press, I started off 225, did 8 reps right here. Just imagine you're keeping your elbows out. Imagine your elbows are flared out, because whenever you start to bring your elbows in and tuck them in towards your lats, you're gonna start working your triceps. You're gonna start doing a lot of stuff that just isn't necessary, incorporating a lot of muscles that don't need to be worked if you're just trying to hit your chest. So I dropped it down to 135 right here. Lowered the weight, try to give you guys a better example of what your form should look like. So just keep your elbows out at a 90-degree angle. I kind of drive through the ground with my heels whenever I do these movements, just to keep my hip flexors engaged a little bit. Just keep everything stable downstairs, you know, keeping everything nice and tight, squeezing that chest up at the very top of the movement. And that's about it for my compound movement. I just did incline, did about 6 sets of that. Moved straight into some dumbbell incline press. And with dumbbell incline press, pretty much the same exact thing, guys. I mean, obviously you're gonna have to use a lot more accessory groups to control the dumbbells, since it's not just one solid bar. One thing that I like to do to keep my chest contracted a little bit more, I kind of like to angle the dumbbells down. So as you can see, the inner plates of the dumbbell closer to my chest that are facing each other, I like to keep those at an angle down. It just helps me get a better squeeze in the chest. I feel it better. Whatever you guys feel working better, I want you to do. Because at the end of the day, you know your anatomy better than I do. You're always gonna know your body best. So that was my chest workout, guys. I did 6 sets of everything. I did 6 sets of 12 through 15 reps, a high volume day. Didn't really focus on strength today, because last week all I did was strength. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll get back to every single comment. If you like the video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. And if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, that way you can ask me any questions or anything. I'll have it right here on the screen, so you can scan that snap code, add me, ask me questions, send me videos of your forms, whatever. Anyways, guys, have a great day. Thanks for checking out the video. See you in the next one.